Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in today's film we're driving along the Limassol Strip. So let's have the map up first of all, and we're starting around the port area and the marina, and then we're going up the main B1 road to the municipal zoo, and then we're carrying on up the B1 road. And basically that's it for the rest of the journey. We go up the B1 road and we see lots of big towers and we have a general look around. Now, I'm at a bit of a loss because unlike Paphos when I drive around and I know pretty much where I am, in Limassol I'm driving around like a headless chicken for some of it, with my wife frantically navigating. But at the moment we're going around the bit that's just in front of the marina. I'll be on a bit more surer footing when we get to the B1 road itself, because that's just one straight road. But we'll be there soon. The marina is straight ahead and to the right, basically. In a future film, I'll no doubt go exploring there as well, but not in this one. Now, in terms of length of film, if you drive up Limassol Strip, expect to stop many times for traffic lights. I've cut out all the stops that we made in this film, and that reduced the film length from about 20 minutes to 13 and a half minutes. So don't think you're going to just sail through. And there's also going to be the occasional 360, well, flat 360 portion to this film when we go past something on either side of us that I want to show you. But this is a little one-way system they got in front of the marina. And once we go past it to the left, so that's the marina straight ahead there. But we're going on to the main Limassol Strip now. And as you go along here, if you look to your right, as we will do with the flat 360, there's a beach area which has got lots of paths, parks, kiosks, restaurants and bars in it that goes on quite a long way. And that's called Molos. You'll have to excuse any pronunciation errors, by the way, because I've never actually heard any of them said in real life. So I'm just winging it, basically. But yeah, Molos goes for quite a while along the right. And cut out that traffic light as well as all the other ones. Now, Limassol Strip is very long and there's lots of interesting things along it. The main issue I've had with it in the past has been finding an easy place to park if I want to stop halfway along it. So don't be afraid to go to your left if you're going in this direction, find a place to park there. You might find that all the spots on the right are taken. That's my experience in the past anyway. Also worth looking at are the kind of trees that they have here, because some of those planted around Paphos would be quite nice. Right, let's have a look at some of the architecture. Now, a lot of people immediately get put off by all the tower blocks and stuff in Limassol, but I quite like them, to be honest. I mean, a tower block tastefully built is a thing of beauty. I mean, I'm not... Okay, we have all the brutalism efforts of the 70s and 60s in the UK, but the more modern ones can be very elegant indeed. We're just having another look at the coastal area before we pan back round. And now we're looking at the entrance to Limassol Zoo, amongst other things. It's all in there. There was also a sculpture park back in the Molos area. Now we're back onto the GoPro 4K footage, for a little while at least. But on Friday I'll be publishing the full 360 version of this film, and you really want to watch that, because then you can just control the camera however you want, and you'll get a much better viewing experience, and you can see everything. I've just picked up some of my favourite tidbits, so to speak. It's coming up to some of the bigger towers now. And I think on the right we have Acti Olympion A Beach, it's called, which leads on to Acti Olympion B Beach. But these are the Trilogy Limassol Seafront Towers, those big ones there. There's another tower here. Yes, that one's called One. There you go. I think that's probably one of the more famous towers in Limassol. Certainly appears in lots of the pictures. Well, there are a number of beaches along the coastline here. As I said, there was those Acti Olympion ones. But we also get Miami Beach coming up, and a place called Power Beach as well. Don't know what that's about. Right, the next building of note on the left is the Oval. No prizes for guessing why it's called that. But that's beautiful, that is. Don't care what people say. There's a Lidl. They're all big fans of Lidl. Wonder if they do cinnamon rolls there. And while I'm here, if you do like our films, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click on the notifications bell. We're just going to be going past, I think it's Crown Plaza, if I'm not mistaken. That's around here somewhere anyway. I did go through on the map and make some notes of what we were passing, but it gets a bit confusing when the film's actually running. But yeah, anyway, so click the notification bell, subscribe to follow us on Facebook, rather, on Paphos Live, and join our Paphos Chat Facebook group, and also, the more appropriate for this film, Cyprus Chat Facebook group that we've got. If you join up with that, and you can see more stuff from the rest of Cyprus on there. And if you really like our stuff, think about sending us a coffee or two to buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Life. And all contributions are greatly received. And if you get more organised on that, you can have like monthly subscriptions, and you can suggest routes and things like that, and say where you want us to film. But as I said before, we will be going more films from around Cyprus rather than just Paphos. We will be doing Paphos as well, don't get me wrong. But we will be broadening our horizons, so to speak. One place we're trying to avoid at the moment, because it's so hot there, is Nicosia though. So don't take it personally if we avoid that for the moment, but it does get very hot there. Now I think this might have actually been Crown Plaza in there somewhere. Actually that was Piscina, if I'm not mistaken. If you want my advice, I would just concentrate mainly on the scenery rather than my skillful commentary, because I really don't know where I'm going. I mean, okay, I'm going down the B1 and it's straight, but I don't know what I'm driving past or anything. I need to familiarise myself more with Limassol, basically, because that's an interesting building up there. I like that design. There's a few in there that are quite nice. And that bit you can see in the middle is a communal area, which may even have a swimming pool in it. But yes, if you see the 360 version, then you'll be able to effectively pick your own view. And you can pause it and have a look wherever you want to. You've slightly moved away from the coast now, but we're still on the B1. And we do go back to the coast as we follow the road around. There's a KFC on the left. And soon we'll be coming to probably the nicest of the lot in terms of buildings. Where is it? Here it comes. This is called Limassol Del Mar. Again, you'll have to excuse the pronunciation. I've never heard anyone say it out loud. Take a look at this if you've never seen it before. Beautiful. And if you want to get an even better view of everything on here, then as I said, take a look at the 360 version we'll be publishing tomorrow. I'll stick a link when it gets published in the description of this film, so that if you're seeing this film after tomorrow, you'll know how to find it. Because I do appreciate that finding stuff on YouTube isn't as easy as it might be. But that was pretty much most of Limassol Strip. It does continue after this for quite some time. There's another marina at the end, but I think that's enough for one film, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers.